This was our allotment earlier, a jungle of weeds, wobbly trees and chaos, but we're on a mission to grow food, so today we got to work. We started with the strimmer, savage mode engaged, then came the weeding. Hours of pulling, digging and battling those deep-rooted invaders. Honestly, the weeds were winning at one point. Why on earth do weeds grow better than anything else we actually plant? Who knows? These little trees were struggling, so we gave them some love. Staked them, tied them and proper support. Don't worry, little ones, we've got you. We laid down some fresh weed matting and built brand new beds. This plot is finally starting to feel like a garden, not a battlefield. We ended the day with the best part, feeding and watering. If you believe food should be growing and shared, hit that subscribe button. You're literally helping us grow. Comment below your top gardening tip or favourite veg, and I'll shout you out in the next video. Oh, and check out my husband's channel, Live Kicks. He's the muscles behind today's glow up.